If you missed out on the other one we recently had like this, here's another chance for you. And this one's as equally as clean and nice, no doubt about that. 2000 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Regular cab, short box, clean Carfax, no accents indicated. Confirmed miles, just a little over 49,000 is all in this one. Spent the majority of its life in Arkansas and Oklahoma, and it definitely shows. We're going to take a little walk around it, point some things out to you. But first, let's take a look at this grille. Bumper chrome looks good. As you can see, bug shield already installed. Blacked out Chevy bow tie up front. Victory red with the dark charcoal interior. Take your time looking through the still pictures of this one. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, the bed of it. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Bridgestone radials with plenty of tread left. Those 16-inch Silverado wheels. And as you can see, the paint shows well on this one. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. Note around the wheel wells, you can tell this truck has not spent its life in the Midwest states. Cab corner, lower rockers. Interior, equally as nice. 40-20-40 split bench seat. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little bit closer. Spray and bed liner that looks like new. Got protectors for the tops of the bed sides as well as the tailgate. Helping keep this truck in extremely nice shape. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Of course, the tow package, and then take a look at the chrome and the finish on this rear bumper. If you're familiar with these trucks when they are in the Midwest, you know what happens back there. Start to get corrosion from the inside coming out. That chrome flakes and peels. Not on this one, folks. And then take a close look at this bed. It's like new. Does not appear this truck has been worked a whole lot. Once again, still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. Can't make it to see this truck yourself, maybe due to time or distance, not a problem. Open door policy for those guys, but tell you what, with the condition of this, the clean Carfax, the miles on it, no surprises. If you like checking out pickups, classic cars, sport cars, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here. Videos uploaded daily, and a lot of different classic cars, late model cool cars, low mile cars. All right, so as far as options, of course, power mirrors, windows, locks, and look at the condition of the door panel. Everything in nice shape. Same with the seats. Now, the one thing I do want to show you is if I step back, there's the true color of that interior. Like I said, it's kind of a darker gray. If I get right up on top of it, it wants to wash it out some, just so you know. So it's more of a medium to dark gray, and then they do have a little bit of a color fleck in it. But again, condition of the cloth seats, great shape. 40-20-40 split bench, push button 4-wheel drive with auto 4-wheel drive, tilt column, of course, cruise control, your modern amenities. Exact miles. Let's take a look here. 49,733. Let's go ahead and start it up. Now, I do not have my seatbelt on, so that light will probably stay on. But other than that, no check engine lights, no warning lights, nothing like that. Gauge is all working. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that temp gauge to be up much. Top of the dash, also nice shape. AC blows cold, of course, power steering, power brakes. I have not tried the stereo. Let's check it out. So AM, FM, CD working well. There is the, of course, cup holders down below the dash. Nice truck. Headliner looks good. Yeah, and just look at the lack of any sort of wear on the door panel or armrests. Door closes nicely. Slip around to the back. Sounds as you'd expect. 5.3 liter V8. Vortec underneath the hood. Automatic with overdrive trans. See about getting this hood open in a second. May be able to get this one one-handed here. Let's take a look at this hood liner, how clean that is. Again, you can tell that's not from the Midwest. No grime, road salt, stuff dried to it. What you'd expect with the kind of miles that are on this truck. There it is, Vortec 5.3 liter. And also just in clean and tidy underneath here as you'd expect. Not a bunch of corrosion. Arkansas and Oklahoma truck. 2000 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. Make sure you look at the underside, see how clean that is. What a good looking short box step side. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2000 Chevrolet Silverado in red. It's a nice little short box truck with only 49,731 miles currently on the odometer. This is an automatic on the column. We have the button for towing here that will drop you out of overdrive. All our gauges are working well. Nice acceleration and throttle response. Factory radio working well. Our cruise control is functioning. Always a nice thing to have. Quick buttons here to change from two-wheel drive to four-wheel drive. Even an auto button for four-wheel drive. Nice smooth ride. Very clean. Looking at the door panel, that looks very low mile. We have bucket seats with a center console that folds up for seating. And they're also in very good shape. Overhead lighting and storage. Brakes are working very well. I would say if you're looking for a truck that feels like new, and you love the 2000 style pickups, this is the one for you. Very nice condition and good running Chevy truck. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this truck at UniqueClassicCars.com.